Hello, welcome. In this video, we will learn the C major scale. The C major scale has C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So if you studied the chromatic scale, you kind of have an edge. We have the chromatic scale video right here. If you want to review that, that will help a lot. Also, make sure that you download the free printable that goes along with this video. It will help you a lot. In this video, we will also learn a little bit of music theory, just a little bit, so that we can start diving into why certain notes sound good together. So let's get started. Make sure that you get tuned. Usually on this hand I have long nails, but I cut them today to show you that it can be done with short nails. Okay, so we're starting on C string. We're gonna pick on that one, open. Next we're going to D. Next is E, is open string. By the way, whenever you have an open string and you're thinking, well, what do I do with this hand? Just rest it up here by the nut and curve the hand just so that it still looks lovely and I guess more like a trained musician. If your fingers are way out here, that doesn't look quite as aesthetically pleasing, and it will take you longer to come to the fingerboard to play the right note. So rest the finger here, keep the fingers curved. So let's do those three notes. C, D, E, go. Try again. 1, 2, ready, go. Now let's go to F, G, A. So F is right here, G, and A is open string. Here we go. F, G, A, go. Again. 1, 2, ready, go. I have pretty bad form on that one. I need to nail in too. Let me do that again. 1, 2, ready, go. So now let's add those notes together, starting from C, going all the way up to open A. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Let's do that again slower. I think I went a little too fast. 1, 2, 1, 2, slow work. Now we only have two notes left. That's B and C. B and C. Okay, let's try the whole scale going up. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. The reason why I say going up is because pitch-wise or note-wise, we're starting on a very low-sounding string. Oh, and we're going to a high-sounding note. So if it was written on the music stuff, it would go from low to high. So that's why I say the higher notes are going up. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 1, 2, going up, go. Now let's try it again. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, I'm going to pause here real quick. If you're playing any notes on the first fret, play them with your index finger. Any notes on the second fret with your middle finger. Any notes on the third fret with your ring finger. So that's why I'm playing this way. Look up. Let me do it first. Just look up. And this trains your hands to learn your fingerboard and to find spots without you having to either bring the ukulele up or bring your face down. So this is a really good practice. Even if it seems like you're doing something kind of boring or plain, it's actually helping you build that dexterity and muscle memory for your fingerboard. So let's try it one last time. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, so let's talk about how the C scale, this one, connects to the C chord. In a scale, we play notes by themselves, one note at a time. That's just one note. One note. Right? On a chord, we're playing 4 strings at the same time. That's a chord when you're adding several notes and playing them at the same time. Okay? So how do we know which notes are in C chord? That's easy. We go to the scale and we just look at the 1, 3, and 5. The first step of the scale, the third step of the scale, and the 5th step of the scale. That's it. So let's make C chord from scratch on this ukulele. We need C's, E's, and G's to make C chord. So is this one a C, E, or a G? Yeah, it's G. What about the next one? Is that a C, E, or a G? Yes, it's C. What about this one? Is this a C, E, or a G? Yes, it's E. So we have one of each already, which is ideal. In a chord, you kind of want to have one, at least one of each. And it's okay to double some of them. And let's see, is this one a C, E, or a G? No, this is an A. So then we have to be a little lazy with music and try and find the easiest way to turn this into one of the notes on the chord. We already have one of each, C, E, G. So we're just gonna find the closest one that is one of those. So help me find it. What's this open? A. That's not part of the chord. What's this one? A sharp. That's not part of the chord. That would not sound like a C. Okay, what about this one? What's this? B. That does not give us a C chord. What about this one? That's C, the actual note. So that's how you make a chord, or that's how you make C chord, for example. So that's why this scale is called the C major scale, and that chord is called the C major chord. So there is a way that they do connect. Okay, your homework for tonight is a little tricky. The first thing that we have to do is learn the C major scale going up and going down. I purposely didn't show you how to do it going down because I want you to do that on your own. So that's the first assignment. Second assignment, explain what a scale is to somebody that you know. It can be a friend, a neighbor, somebody who lives with you. It can be a dog. Because when you try to teach somebody or your pet or anything, when you try to explain it is when you realize where the gaps in your learning are, like where you missed a detail or where you don't understand a part. And so that will show you which part of the video you need to rewatch again so that it makes sense. Alright, have fun with your homework assignment and I'll see you in the next one.